Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you guys the big tomatoes. So these are the big salad. They're bearing. I mean, they're not showing down any heavy bearing, but at least you can see some progress going on in here. That's my hand on there. You can see some progress. And I plant some thyme as well over this side. Plant some thyme. They haven't catch us yet because I planted them a few days ago. And I plant some scallion over here. So here I have some scallion. Just a few root for like yard purpose. So guys, these are the big salad. There's some smaller ones right here, and then you have some bigger ones, and then you also have blossoms on them. I mean, they're coming along, guys.